7 money secrets the rich don't want you to know. Have you ever wondered what Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, and Oprah Winfrey all have in common? The rich have a unique viewpoint on money. Here's how you can use what they know to your advantage. If you've ever had the thought or impression that only the wealthy have access to insider money-making secrets, you're not alone. This is very likely the case. The richest 1% of the population today owns more than 40% of the world's wealth. And this is not by luck. After all, the wealthy don't believe in luck. Without further ado, here are 7 money secrets that the rich don't want you to know, and how to use them to your advantage. So grab a pen and paper, and get ready to write, because these concepts can help you get closer to your big goals. 1. Your money should be working for you. Working hard does not necessarily correlate to success, which is one of capitalism's unpleasant facts. If time is your only source of income, your earnings potential is limited to the number of hours you work every week. The rich, on the other hand, are aware of capitalism's dirty secret. Passive income is the genuine road to prosperity. They understand that in order to increase their fortune, they must make their money work for them rather than the other way around. Anything that pays an unearned return increases your potential earnings beyond the hours in a day, whether it's investing in shares, buying property, or backing someone else's business idea. In fact, Robert Kiyosaki, author of the best-selling personal finance book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, based his whole financial philosophy on this idea. The easiest method to achieve this is to generate revenue from passive rather than active sources. 2. You can get ahead by using other people's time and money. Being your own boss and using other people's money instead of your own are 2 of the greatest ways to become rich. As an employee, you labor to enrich your boss, and employing your own cash restricts your success to how much you can personally front. However, starting or purchasing a business, which is frequently funded by banks or investors, achieves both objectives simultaneously. You may also utilize borrowed cash to invest in real estate, the stock market, or someone else's a great idea if operating a business isn't your strong suit. 3. Asset allocation is just as important as asset location. If you've read anything about investing or saving for retirement, you've probably come across asset allocation recommendations. It entails diversifying your assets rather than investing all of your money into a single asset. The wealthy, on the other hand, understand that asset placement is just as essential as asset allocation. To put it another way, the wealthy do not keep all of their assets in a single account, such as a tax-deferred retirement savings account. Instead, they distributed it. Wealthy people also invest in brokerage accounts to reduce the burden of taxes in retirement. 4. Diversification will take you everywhere. Bonds, stocks, and mutual funds are excellent ways to start building money, but they aren't the only options. Expanding into a liquid or tangible assets, gold, such as real estate, and even artwork, as your wealth rises, might help you secure it. Though these assets are more expensive up front and more difficult to sell, there's a reason why becoming a real estate magnate is associated with wealth. Because these assets are less sensitive to market fluctuations, they can pay handsomely even if other investments fail. 5. Save first, spend later. If you buy items you don't need, Warren Buffett says, you'll quickly sell things you need. That is precisely why most wealthy individuals save first and then spend. So quit whining about your inability to save and ditch excuses like a lack of money, high costs, or strict adherence to the "you only live once" motto. The practice of saving first and spending afterward is the key to saving. Set away a portion of your monthly salary for savings. It may be 20%, 30%, 50%, or any other proportion to begin with. Just remember to be disciplined and stick to the schedule. 6. Money draws money. People move with wealthy people not because they dislike the poor, but because they know that moving with the rich brings money to them. As a result, most people regard the wealthy as arrogant. When you surround yourself with successful people, you will learn their ways, attracting prosperity to yourself. 7. Always remember to be a life student. The world is changing. Whether it's in terms of lifestyle, technology, science, or anything else, change has become the one constant in life. What you know or excel at now can become totally useless tomorrow. As a result, learning is the only way to keep evolving. The world's most powerful and successful people, such as Indra Nooyi and Warren Buffett, have consistently emphasized that the key to lifelong learning is to stay a student. Every day, life teaches us something new in unexpected ways. To keep learning and progressing, all it needs is a sincere student. Well, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching.